Welcome back to Buzz Builds, where we build it, break it, improve it, one buzz at a time. Today's episode, we build a workbench. We also buzz. All right, let's get after it. All right. Hey folks, post-production here. As you can see from the opening, this went off the rails a little bit. I tried to do something a little longer. It didn't quite work out. So I'm going to narrate post-production and try a little bit better next time. Anyway, this design comes from us from Makers Development Group. The link was going to be below. They provided great 3D print files, but that's about it. Everything else, you're kind of left to your own, design and imagination on the measurements. First, the brackets were printed. The original plans called for PET G. I printed this in PLA because this is what I had on hand at the time. I printed an additional bracket. We're going to see if we can break it. I don't know if we're going to be able to or not. This is not one of the corner pieces. The corner pieces had gussets, so of course those are going to be a lot harder to break. So let's see if we can break it. Yeah, snapped right off. So obviously when you have this attached to the 2x4s though, it's not gonna do that. But as you can see, it broke. The weak point is where the screw holes were at. Interesting honeycomb in there. Yeah. So if you're going to do something real heavy duty, this might not be for you. This is going to be a workbench for gunsmithing. So we've had it on there, pushing it side to side. No problems yet. So anyway, here's back to the build. So somewhere around here, we actually came to the conclusion that the cross member down here was going to be a different size than the cross member up here. And that's because the 2x4 going behind the horizontal support here, whereas this one's going to butt right up to the horizontal support. So anyway, we've had to do a lot of on the fly adjustments to this. It wasn't very pretty. That's our finished product there. Still need to get the bottom shelf. We'll get that at a later time. And then we still need to do the top pegboard. We have those items. We haven't printed, just haven't put it on yet. Obviously, the need to finish it up. We're going to have it a little bit taller and actually put some lights up here. So that way it'll be a well-lit station. So you see, we had some problems with that build. It was a nice build. Got to hang out with the boys for a little while. Lots of buzzing going on. Probably a little bit too much, but it was all good fun. As with anything, these projects, they're a way to release from the normal 9 to 5 grind. It's more like 7 to 7 for me, but that's all right. But anyway, it was good building with you guys. Even better getting out with my boys and getting some building in. And until next time, keep buzzing.